Hey guys, it's Koogly again with another video, and this time I've got another one of those unboxing videos. And well, I understand if you're frustrated that there are no ROM reviews right now because, well, I haven't been doing much. I am actually pretty preoccupied with a lot of other stuff, so I'll talk more about that later if we have time. But for now, here is the new package which has arrived to me. But the thing is, it seems like it has been opened at some point. So let's see if it is not tampered with. So yeah, let's see. So guys, here is the package which has arrived, and if you can see that, this is a replacement which I received for another product which I made a purchase of recently. So as you can see, it is a gyro stabilized gimbal unit for a smartphone. Now, a few backstory during when I opened this up. First of all, I had this thing, well, I had bought a Digitech 3-axis gimbal stabilizer previously. It's been working pretty good. The problem is, the first unit which I had this issue with it where the x-axis was not really stable. It vibrated a lot or it shook a lot, so my shots were coming shaky. So I requested for a replacement, and I got a replacement, but the replacement was, I mean, pretty much just dead on arrival. It wasn't charging, it wasn't turning on, and well, on Amazon, if you replace a thing twice, you have to get a refund, and I got a refund for it. The same product was not available at the price for which I paid for at the first time, so I paid for it for about 6K. The first time. Now it was available for about 7K, so I was not really happy about it for 7,000 rupees. So I thought I will venture out and see another product. So I got the Feiyutech, I hope you can see that, Feiyutech Vimbal 2 3-axis Gimbals handheld gimbal for smartphones. It has a tripod free, which is awesome. Not that we will be using that. Well, Feiyutech, I think you should know that this is made in China, manufactured by this guy who is based in China. I would have liked to have supported an Indian product, but it was too having so many issues. So yeah, Bluetooth, all that. I have the space gray version. I blame Apple for this color, but anyways, black should be more like. Nothing much else in the packaging, right? Wow, it's very expensive on the package. I got it for about 6.2K, which is kind of comparable, but this one does have a little bit more features that I like, which I will try and get to in this video. So let's open it up and see what it is. The packaging seems a little bit too damaged for my liking for something that came in that big box with air packing and all that. So let's open it up and see what it has. I'm guessing, yeah, this has a familiar but different kind of a case, which is cool, but this one looks actually pretty cooler. The other one on the Digitech one was kind of like a guitar box, which some people dig it, I don't. So anyways, that's one thing. Let's open it up and see. Okay, it is a classic zipper design, one zipper. It has a handle case, which is nice to see. So let's open it up and see what we have here. So opening it up, okay, we have the gimbal, which is it has a very unique design, which I actually do like. Okay, this thing has, wow, okay, I like this one. It has a separate compartment for putting up. Wow, okay, this is cool. This is really cool. I really like this one. This one, I saw a port on this one which can be used to charge your phone along with the gimbal if you are using it. The gimbal's battery is pretty low, but I will get to that later. Yeah, it has Type-C. That is amazing. Okay, so yeah, you get these adapters, which is 90-degree adapters, which you can use to charge your phone along with the gimbal, and it has Type-C. Okay, it has a micro USB, it has a lightning connector, and it has Type-C, which is amazing. And I did not really think that would be it. It comes with a charging port of that is micro USB is the charging for this one. That's pretty cool. Normal stuff. I guess you get the warranty card, okay, which is blank. Not really sure why, but anyways, here is a QR code, I guess, for the application, which is called Viilo, something like that. Okay, and we have instructions in Chinese and instructions in English. So keeping that aside, here is the extra stuff. Okay, so you get the, I'm hoping this is the tripod. The packaging is much more premium than what Digitech has, and yes, the tripod is also a little bit more sturdier and it comes branded, so that may be cool. Anyways, I'll keep that aside. Okay. Oh shit, I don't think that was supposed to happen. Okay, that definitely was not supposed to happen, but it happened. So what is this thing? I want to see this. Okay, so this is the lanyard for the gimbal, so that it doesn't fall to its death the first time you're using it. I'll be holding on to this one because it is very useful. If you haven't seen that, you need to see that. It's pretty unnerving. Here is the gimbal itself, which is doesn't have that much of a technical boxing, but I think this one should work really well. Let's keep that aside, and here is the gimbal itself, which is pretty damn cool. I really like this one. So the main one of the main things about this one is if you see this design of this gimbal, it is very much a the other one was straight like this. But with this, what you can do is you can actually take shots like this. The gimbal will never touch the bottom part in any way, so that is really cool. And this one is ratchet type, and it is not screw in, so it's very easy to change the cameras if you ever want to, which I am planning to. So that is also pretty cool. Here's the joystick of it. It has a little bit more function. It has a trigger button here. If you can understand this, it is slightly smaller, and because of that the battery is slightly less on this one than the previous model which I had. I'm not saying it's bad, I'm just saying that it is what it is. That is it in the gimbal itself. I will try and do a full review of it. I mean, I think the buttons look or feel a bit more premium. Yeah, there is a distinct click to it. Here is where you charge it, which I will be keeping for charge. Okay, that's a tiny one. I like it. So yeah. Okay, now this is what I was saying when I talked about the charging port for the phone. So you charge the gimbal through this one. Have this thing open and put one of these through here and the other end to the phone, and that is pretty awesome. I like that. I like that a lot. Not really sure how fast or how much a phone can charge, but it's really cool to have that feature. I really like that. The Digitech one had it on the side of it with a normal USB plug, so it's all dependent on what you want and all that. Also, one more thing, it doesn't have a screw for changing the orientation, so you can change that in any way if you want to. So that's all pretty dandy. So yeah, let's keep it aside and charge it before I get too crazy with it. 3-axis gimbal stand, maximum tilting range and all that is given in the manual. So if you want to read that, well, if you are buying that, it'll be cool. So Viilo is the application which it uses. So yeah, I guess that much is it about the video then. Hope you guys like the video. I will be trying this out. I will be giving you guys a review if I can, if I don't return it first. So yeah, I guess that much is it about the video then. Hope you guys like the video. Please share, subscribe and like the video if you find it useful. See you guys next time. Bye.